What is up, everybody? Tiger here, and today I'm showing you a tutorial kind of on how to make your own Discord bot. Now, people always, well, no, people ask me in the Discord servers that I am in, like, yeah, Discord bots, they're helpful, blah blah blah, but you know, these bots don't exactly match my preference, or you know, I want to change its name, or something basic like that. Now, you know, it's okay, you can go into GitHub, you can download the code or whatever, and you can edit it yourself. But in this video we are looking at how to make your own bot. Now, Discord, obviously, you know, well, I personally think it's better than Skype and TeamSpeak and other things like that. People can have their own opinion. Now, I'm gonna create a server here called YouTube, purely for my bot. Now we are going on to the first thing. So first, I would highly recommend you to download atom.io. What it is it's basically as you your code, as you write it down, it is your workspace. It's where you're going to be doing it. Now, obviously, you can use Notepad, you can use Notepad++, you can use Visual Studio, you can use other things, but this is what I use. I personally love it. There are add-ons if you want, you know, there are themes, etc, etc. I personally don't use any of them. I just really like the way it looks, and this is what I use. Next, node.js, Node.js, node.js.org. What it's coded in, pretty basic. You need to download this. I recommend just going for the recommended. Next, you want to have your app. So you'll need to come down to this link. What am I on about? Link. I'll have this in the description. So you want to press new app. Pretty basic stuff at this point. You want to name your app, so the name of your bot. So in this case, what I will be doing is I'm just going to be calling it oh god, I cannot spell YouTube, just like that. Pretty simple. The app description, I don't think people can see it outside of you, so I'm not going to put anything on. Icon, you know, you can put whatever. Let's just put a skull thing. Okay, don't put that skull thing, that's fine. And that's basically all you need here as a name. Okay, so you get this, and the most important thing you now want to do is press this button. This action is irreversible. Basically, this is what is going to allow you to use the API of the bot. So, yep, you click it. That is cool. So we got it. Obviously, the token here, anybody can then access the bot, but this is just going to be simple. I'm going to change it every time after the video, so you know there's not even much point. So we created this. Now let's get on to the actual code here. So you want to find yourself a thing, directory that you are comfortable working in, and then create a text document. Obviously, I like calling it bot.js. You can call it anything, script.js. You know, oh. Bot.js, you can call it script.js, you know, whatever you basically want to call it. Now, open that up. See, let this load in. Don't know why it's being slow. Okay, in the meantime, get your prompt open, command prompt, and you want to cd, cd dot, god, I've forgotten. Okay, there we go. And now cd YouTube. Now we're in. Now you want to go npm, which is calling for node. It's a node command. Or if you want to, you can do install, but and then you want to go discord.js. Just hit the enter button and wait for this to load. Now, if you have done it correctly, which I don't think I have. I think I've done something wrong here. I don't know what I've done. lol. Okay. Just look up node and maybe it'll work with this. cd dot slash YouTube. cd dot. It's because I didn't go far enough. cd YouTube npm I discord. Right, this may work. Yep. Okay. So you just want to sorry, I use normal command prompt, but you want to look up node and use this node.js command prompt now, giving us some. Okay, it's given. Oh god, the voice crack. It's gonna give you this couple errors about node opus and stuff. Basically, that is if you want to do anything music related. I'm probably not going to go over music in this series. I can do it in another series probably. It's just I haven't fully learned about it, so I'm not going to be comfortable teaching you guys about it. Now, I do recommend you guys learn JavaScript before doing this. Although, if you're just here, you know, to make whatever you want, then obviously go ahead. You know, that's up to you. I saw to you too. No thanks. Let me put zoom mode on. Let me zoom mode. Here we go. Okay, that's cool. So, you know, Discord, another one of its helpful features. So you want to open this up. Now, you want to do const Discord equals required. What am I on? Require, and then open the single speech mark thing. JS. Basically, that's telling Node where to look. Oh, it's telling Node where to look for Discord.js. Now, const client. Although some people use bot, but I prefer to use client, as most of the more as Idiot's Guide put it, more established authors say. So this is like what it's kind of hard. It's like what you're relating to. Like, I'm a bit of a avid CS:GO player, so that's what that'll be. Okay, so once you've done that, just come down a few lines. Now, what we have done so far is we have told Node where to look for Discord, and we have made the bot side of things. Now we need to make it log on, so we need to do client.login, and then sorry, my keyboard's from Spain, so sometimes get this wrong. Okay, so you open that, and now you go back to where you created your bot. So let's say you open your Windows, YouTube or whatever you've named it, and you click here. Now you get this and you simply copy it in here. Now, I wouldn't recommend this if you're going to upload this on GitHub, or if you're going to share it with anybody, since it does have your token and people can access your bot with the token. They can use their own script and make it run on your bot. Now, on to the next thing. This code, obviously at the moment, would be fine, but it wouldn't be functional. Nothing would happen. It would just log on and it would just be online. So that's as if you've been with bots. So we're making a variable now. The prefix, most of them have prefixes. Obviously we can make this whatever we want. So exclamation marks are probably the most used. So I recommend you doing something different. Now, I sometimes do dollar signs, sometimes I do other things, but for this I'm going to use dollar sign. Now we do client.on, open, oh god, I'm sorry, message, and then comma, oh, that's a full stop, comma, and then message, and then equals arrow, and then that, and then oh, I haven't done that in the right order, but here, oh, the other one, I'm just open, and then we go, so so like on the message, if the message dot author is equal to the client user, then return. So if it's like not a bot, otherwise it will go infinitely. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So if message dot content dot starts with, and then oh, we need another one here. Starts with prefix plus whatever you want, so ping or you know, something that is, you know, age old. Well, that's age old, but something which you know, can you can test your bot with, I guess. So message dot channel dot send message pong. Oh, pong. Now, so what we have done is God, let me just, because that was supposed to be on the same line. Oh God, I'm so bad at it. Right. So what that's done is, so I'm trying to explain. If the content of the message starts with prefix, the prefix we made up here, since it's a variable, we can use it whenever, plus ping, then message channel send message pong. So it's just simple, right? So now we are going to test this. So save and go out. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to add your bot. Now, here is the link. I'll leave this down in the description. All you need to do is you need to get your client ID, copy it, come where ID here, do that, and just hit paste, and then enter. Now go to YouTube, from here, and then select YouTube and authorize. So it's authorized. Now come here, and as we can see, we have YouTube bot. Now it's not going to do anything. Oh, what have I done? It's not going to do anything. It's offline. So what we need to do, we get the node.js bot back. We cd into your thing and node, and then whatever you called your file. Now I've done something wrong. Client data line 19. What? It's something to do with the something to do with the node as opposed to the code. Right, what has gone on here? I think it should be running. Just try re-downloading. Right, let's. Okay, it's doing its thing. I know what happened there. It just froze. Package version that does this. Am I downloading the wrong thing? Is that what I'm doing? Am I downloading something completely different? I'm pretty sure I am downloading the... Oh, that's not it. npm I discord.js. Right, let me see. Discord.js. They also have a lot of documentation, so I'll definitely check that out. So that's all the documentation there. Right. Save. Oh, I was doing it right. I'll just do this instead. See if this works. See, it's saying it wants a newer version of Node. Ah, I have an old version of Node. Now, rookie error on my behalf. Right, I've now got the correct version of Node. Come on. What have I done? What have I done here? Let's see. Yes! Oh god, took way too long. I thought it was something completely different. Now, Node, dot.js, please. I think that's right. Anyway, YouTube has it. It is online. Good. Now, here is the moment of truth. Ah, I know why. I am being idiot and forgot our prefix. I was so sad for a second. There we go. Ping pong. We have done it. We have made a bot. This is a simple, simplistic bot. I will be obviously working on it. If you guys enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. I know every other YouTuber says that, and it's dumb, but I need the views, I need the subs, I need the likes, and I need the comments to know what I'm to do next. Also comment if you want to see a part 2 to this. Obviously I'm pretty happy to do a part 2 to this. But that's up to you guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm out.